Are you a fan of saunas? Are you a fan of circuses? Are you a fan of fancy hotels and casinos? We're not talking about Vegas, we're talking about Paradise City here in Korea. Hi, I'm Ryan Custodio, a former elementary and middle school teacher. After years of teaching and learning, I've realized that learning doesn't just have to be in the classroom. So, I quit my job and left the United States to learn from others from all around the world, starting in South Korea. Welcome to my journey. Welcome to my classroom. It's my birthday and we are here in Paradise City. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. Amanda decided to surprise me for my birthday. I've been wanting to come here way before COVID hit.
We first saw Paradise City on Korean Englishman, one of our favorite YouTubers. If you haven't seen him, check it out.
Watch the whole thing.
Yes, and we're finally here in Korea where we get to try it out. Finally.
I'm excited. Let's go check it out.
And happy birthday.
Thank you, you're the best.
So there's something called Wonderbox, and that is a circus slash game slash, from the video it looked very like Cirque du Soleil. Then there's Cimer Spa, which is a huge luxury spa, I guess. So
I like to get pampered.
Yeah.
Who doesn't?
You've been roughing it with work the past few weeks, so
yes.
I'm excited for you to get to relax on your birthday. And then lots of food. a free art museum. PlayStation room, whatever that means. To play room, play.
Oh,
play,
like video games?
It's like video games.
I must say, that was a really, really good birthday.
Yay!
Thank you.
You're welcome. 39, Korean 40. I like to say that. Because Korea likes to age you a year. You're 1 when you're born, if you didn't know.
Everyone in Korea is in advanced age in comparison to the rest of the world, unless there are other countries that also...
Sure. There's at least a few.
Yeah, possibly. Wherever we are, there's always a lesson to be learned. And for me, I feel like the lesson that I learned here is to take care of yourself. It's not selfish to take time to pamper yourself, to let your body heal. Sauna, spa, right? And then even have fun at the same time. Oh my goodness, I slept so well on their wonderful beds here in the hotel. So I take care of yourself. You have one body and one life, and sometimes it needs to recharge.
For me, I feel really lucky, and I feel really grateful to have had this kind of experience. I know that we're so fortunate, and not a lot of people will get to experience something like this, and maybe even their whole lifetime. So just taking a minute to stop and think about how freaking lucky we are.
You're so lucky
to have been sitting in a virtual spa that looks like the future. And
oh man.
It just, having a nice relaxing moment with you was nice and special, and just taking time to slow down and stop and think about how far we've come as a couple, how crazy our adventures of life are, and
just gonna
really
continue.
Grateful for that.
And if you don't have access to a place like Paradise City, like Amanda and I do, find time to just find that moment for yourself. Find a quiet spot, recharge, take a nice nap, think positive thoughts, and be grateful that you have an opportunity to live this life, right? If we could give everybody a chance to come to Paradise City, we would.
Oh yeah.
And I know that's not realistic, but
no.
You know,
even for us, it's quite the treat, I will say. It's not like something we can do.
Yeah. It's a birthday thing.
It's
so.
a birthday treat. Yeah.
And I'm very grateful for it.
Yeah.
Guess we'll end it there. I love you. Thank you so much. This was one of the best birthdays ever. And we'll see ya next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.